Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Attentive to Shopify for revenue-driving SMS campaigns, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. To connect Attentive to Shopify for revenue-driving SMS campaigns, first, log into your Shopify account. Navigate to the Shopify App Store. In the App Store, search for the Attentive app. Click on the Attentive app from the search results. Select the Add App button to install it on your Shopify store. You will be redirected to your Shopify admin. Click on the Install App button to grant permissions. Next, log into your Attentive account or create a new one if you don't have an account. Once logged into Attentive, navigate to the Integrations section of the dashboard. Select Connect to Shopify from the integration options. Follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate your Shopify store. Authorize the necessary permissions to allow Attentive to access your store data. Return to your Attentive dashboard to confirm the connection was successful. Next, set up your SMS campaign by navigating to the Campaigns tab. Click on Create Campaign to start designing your SMS message. Choose your target audience by selecting segments from your Shopify customer list. Craft your message, ensuring it is engaging and action-oriented. Customize any scheduling or automation settings as needed. Review the settings to confirm everything is correct. Finally, click Send or schedule your campaign for a later time. Monitor the performance of your SMS campaigns through the Attentive Analytics dashboard. Make adjustments to messaging and targeting based on the insights you gather. Utilize this connection to drive revenue and enhance customer engagement through SMS marketing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.